Okay, so BMX build so far. I've got the frame widened at the rear end, TIG welded here. This stuff is horrible to weld, but hey ho, it'll be fine. It's all penetrated and it's in there. I'm just reinforcing the dropouts. These are dropouts off another bike that I've cut, because obviously there's a lot of twisting force on the dropouts and we don't want them to splay apart. I'm also thinking about fixing a plate with 4 holes and the shape of the axle drilled and bolted on here, but even so, it's good to beef it up a little bit. Why not? They'll be fully welded on the back here. I might seam it, I might fully weld it, I'll see in a minute. But I'm thinking fully weld it, because otherwise you'll get water going between them and you'll get rust, and it'll look horrible with rust dripping out of it occasionally. It's not going to be galvanised or anything like that, it's simply just going to be painted. So yeah, right, that concludes this part of the video. Just got a back size top wise. Just thought you want to see another view of the plates. These are fully welded all the way around, just in case anyone's wondering, just to give it a bit of extra strength on the dropouts. Obviously that's where the motor's going to be putting all the load. See, it's fully welded there. Same with that one, that's been sanded off, but you get the idea. Has it been welded? Yeah, I've welded that, it's been fully welded and just finished off. This one will be later on. Limited for time, obviously. I'm just doing this after work and we've pretty much shut down now, so yeah, I've got to get out of here before I'm locked in the building. And yeah, that concludes this video. See you later.